guys, we're coming to you tonight with the Derby favorite, my mother's famous mint julep recipe. My mother's famous.
What?
Keep going. Just keep going. Keep going. Hey everybody, coming at you tonight. Talk with. Okay. Hey everybody, Hey everybody, coming with you tonight to bring you our. Hey everybody, coming with you tonight. Hey everybody, tonight we have the Derby favorite for this year, which is our mint julep. My mother's favorite recipe.
God!
Both
No,
of
because you're doing a terrible job.
Hey guys, coming to you tonight with the Derby secret, mint julep. This is. Hey guys, coming with you tonight. Shit. And so, if you need the perfect mint julep recipe for the Derby.
I'm just here for the cookies.